Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known what's new in CSS3. CSS3 is having many of the new features like this is the CSS3, you know that cascading style sheets. We have discussed about our basic previous lectures of CSS3. In here, simple mechanism for adding style, example fonts, colors, and spacing to the web document. What a CSS3 it is? CSS3 is the latest evaluation for cascading style sheet language and aims to extend CSS2. It brings a lot of new features and additions like rounded corners, shadows, gradients, transitions, or animations, as well as new layouts like a multi-column, flexible box, or grid layouts and grid liners, multicolored grids, and many of web colors are integrating with this CSS styles. We'll see in this example for CSS ID selector. It's a very easy and simple, super easy example I have given for you. Like a C, take in a simple paragraphs, like selecting of the ID selector we'll use here. Let's check with this. This is the previous code I'm removing and adding one like CSS3 features we are discussing now. Yes. First one is a first paragraph and second one is here. And from style tag I'm taking with the ID selectors I have prepared for this simple super example. Like check here, first para. This is the paragraph ID is first para I have taken and the text align is center, color is blue. Let's see the applying of this ID selector. Just refresh here. You see here this CSS3 features. And this is the first paragraph I have applied something else for a new feature for ID selector using and the style sheet I have applied. So it is so called like this. If I applied like orange or green, like GREEN, two is green, center, reload. Now see it is under green. I didn't touch any styles, it is not affected for this paragraph. So it is not affected any lines and any code lines here. And see here the paragraph. First one is ID paragraph. It is applied over here. And the second one, it is not affected and not applied any style sheet over here. If you want to apply second paragraph and ID if you, and you just take in a hashtag and the ID selector and write the ID here and create it. Any HTML element by calling here as an ID or class, you can prepare a class like applying CSS tags and a color and beautification of all those things. I hope this is the lecture is very simple and super exciting of CSS3 feature you have learned. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.